If your phone's chip isn't cutting edge, it's time to get excited for Huawei's Mate 70 with SMIC's new 5nm technology. In a groundbreaking move, SMIC has just completed the development of its 5nm chip for Huawei's upcoming Mate 70 series. This is a huge leap forward, especially considering the hurdles posed by the US export restrictions. Remember when Huawei stunned everyone with the Mate 60 Pro and its Kirin 9000S chip? Well, they're back with even stronger tech. While SMIC and Huawei have been limited to 7nm chips, this new 5nm AP marks a significant advancement. Using older deep ultraviolet lithography machines, SMIC has managed to overcome the odds. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a monumental shift. Though production costs will be higher, the tech world is buzzing with excitement. So what's next? Huawei and SMIC face the challenge of reaching 3nm without extreme ultraviolet lithography, but innovations like self-aligned quadruple patterning could pave the way. And as TSMC and Samsung push towards 2nm, the race is on. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button for more tech updates.